Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you that this is my new car. I just got this car for Turo. As you guys know, I started a Turo business earlier on this year, 2022. This is the second car that we're adding to the car family, the Turo family. This is a 2019 Ford Fiesta. I really like this car. This video is going to be a very short one and a quick one. Let me give you a quick walk around the car. Very nice car. I really love the front. With the Fords, especially this year, I really love how they make the front. It looks very much like an Aston Martin, the front grille. Really like it. So this car is very good on gas. Again, I'm trying to focus on cars that are good on gas for my passengers, for my clients, because when we're traveling, we need basic stuff. We need cars that is good on gas, cars that can get us from A to B, and at the same time it's going to be very affordable. This car is going to go for $40 per day on Turo, and I hope all my guests, I hope they enjoy the car. It's a really clean car. I really love how everything works on this car. It's just quite amazing. The inside is very big. The outside is big as well. It's just all around a very nice car. I really like it. When I got the car, it was a little bit like messy in terms of smell. There was hair everywhere, so I had to go clean all that up, making sure the car smells good for my clients and everybody that are going to enjoy the car. So if you want to check out this listing, check it out. It's going to be right on the description below. Check out the listing. This car number 2, I'm excited. The first car that I had has done really well on the Turo platform so far. So when things are going well, you double down on it as much as possible. So this is something that I'm gonna be double downing on. Hopefully we stick with a plan this year and go for about 5 to 10 cars. 5 minimum, 10 wishing out loud. I'm thinking 10. I think it's something that it's very doable. So I'm looking forward to the journey this year. It's gonna be quite amazing. So stay tuned. I still have a lot of videos coming in terms of things that I'm doing with the car, equipment that I'm getting, and everything like that. So stay tuned. A lot of good information is still to come.